when we look at polarization in democracies, I think the understanding of systemic trauma as a root cause for polarization, as we see right now in many democracies around the world, is actually an invitation to do some work, and it needs to be trauma informed. Otherwise, we are getting, it feels like a sand in the engine and trying to deal with the symptoms, like as if we're trying to deal with the smoke instead of the fire. The ecosystemic approach of being systemically trauma informed is very powerful and can have amazing systemic change capacities.
Yeah, beautiful. And as you just already spoke about this, so working on countrywide levels or crucial sectors of a country to bring representatives together and to work on polarization and conflict in a country by taking people deeper to the roots of where those seemingly irreconcilable viewpoints come from. And suddenly it's like people experience like, wow, that's where it comes from. And it's like a resting and a coming home to each other where suddenly conversation becomes possible again. And this is something that we're starting now. As you said, you know, the scientific results were beautiful, also in understanding more deeply how a collective trauma integration process works and functions, but especially to show how it supports people to shift from polarizing to inclusionary viewpoints. So say, you know, this is my experience, but now I understand the shoes that you are walking in, and I can embrace it more. And we're very keen to bring this to more and more countries around the world.